Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, where I review websites and apps to make money online. Most platforms I mention will pay you via PayPal, gift cards, cryptocurrencies, and much more. Today's video is going to be about Mobrog, a website where you can make money by completing surveys. It is available on desktop and on both Android and iOS on cell phones and tablets. On Trustpilot, you can see Mobrog's reviews, and they are mostly very positive. The latest review is from this user from Vietnam. Another user here mentions "I love Mobrog," and he is from Singapore. Mostly rewarding, but does seem ageist. This user is from South Africa. Another member here that has been a member since 2019, and his experience is great. There are times I get frustrated, especially when I get screened out, but even after that, I'm always looking forward to the next survey. Again, thank you Mobrog. This user is from the Philippines. So as you can see, this website is available in many countries worldwide, and there are many more reviews where people seem quite happy about this website overall. If you haven't signed up to Mobrog yet, click on the link in the description below to get to this page to sign up. Enter your email address and all the other information required, then agree to the terms and conditions, and hit register. I am based in Ireland, so that's why it says Ireland residents only. But if you go to the top right corner, you will see the list of countries where Mobrog is available. Most of my viewers should be able to sign up, as it's available in Algeria, Canada, India, the Philippines, South Africa, the UK, the US, Vietnam, and much more, as you can see on this list. I will now log into my account to explain how this works, and I will also attempt to complete a survey and cash out via PayPal. I am now on the homepage of Mobrog, and as you can see, my balance is already at €9.03, which is worth about $11. The list of surveys is very long, however, they tend to leave some outdated surveys sometimes. Some of those surveys are from 2020, which I'm pretty sure will not work anymore. My advice to you is to always try to complete the most recent ones first at the top of the list. In my balance, you can see the latest survey I completed was in October 2020, and I earned €1.86, or a bit over $2, and a couple of other surveys in August last year. I do get screened out a lot, as you can see, but that's quite common with survey websites. However, I get disqualified a bit more on Mobrog compared to other websites I've tested. From the reviews I showed you earlier, it seems that most people don't get disqualified as much as I do, so it might be different for you depending on your demographics. In Redeem Rewards, you can donate €2.80 to Echomatcher, or cash out once you reach €5 via PayPal or Skrill. Via Skrill, your Mobrog account and your Skrill account must be registered in the same country in order to pay out successfully. You can get paid a maximum of twice per day, and you must have the same email address in Skrill as with your profile at Mobrog, and you get paid within 24 hours. Via PayPal, you can also get paid up to twice per day, and must have the same email address as with your profile at Mobrog, and payments also take up to 24 hours. And the last one is Echomatcher, where you can give €2.80 to plant a tree. You can see where your tree stands, watch it grow, and even chat with your tree. Don't expect a two-way conversation if you talk to your tree though. The next section is the referral program, or invite your friends. You can invite people via email directly by entering their email address, and once your friend completes 3 surveys, you get rewarded 80 cents in euro, or about $1. The best option in my opinion is to invite your friends by using this link. They say here that the link can be used and published as often as you like. Even though I would encourage you to share your referral link on YouTube, be careful, as they might consider it as spam. As you can see, I've invited 2 people, but they haven't completed 3 surveys. Therefore, I never earned anything from this referral program yet. In the lottery section, you can earn up to €100 per month, or about $120. The way it works is that for every unsuccessfully completed survey, you will receive a lottery ticket as a gift, and once a month, 2 winners will be randomly selected, each of whom will win a €100 voucher. To participate, follow these instructions to activate your tickets. The lottery starts on the first day of every month until the last. I can't activate any tickets because I haven't completed any surveys this month. However, as I said earlier, I will try to complete one in a few minutes. The web push invitation is a way to receive notifications on your browser whenever a new survey is available. However, this is only supported by Mozilla Firefox. In the achievement section, you can see a few details about how many surveys you've completed, etc. I've been a member for 616 days, so nearly 2 years now, but I haven't been very active. I've completed 15 surveys and already received one payout, which was last year. In My Profile, you can change your nickname, name, etc. I've never actually entered my name, address or phone number here, so I don't think this is needed. However, on the right part, you can complete your profile for specific categories so they can send you relevant surveys. My profile is only 49% complete, so it's important that I complete this later on. Here you can change your email address associated with your Mobrog account, so it's a good option if you wanted to match your PayPal or Skrill account. Here you can change your password. And there you can cancel your membership. So I will now go back to the survey section and I will attempt to complete one. Let's try this one that will pay 60 cents in euro and should take approximately 10 minutes. Don't always trust the amount of minutes it says here. Sometimes it says 10 minutes and it will take you double the time, and sometimes it could take less than 5 minutes. I will pause the recording and see if I qualify. So I haven't qualified for this survey because they have achieved enough responses for this specific target group. They also recommend me to complete my profile to get more relevant surveys. I will ignore this message for now and try a new one. So I found a survey where I qualified and I should be credited shortly. It usually takes a few minutes for the balance to update. So I will pause this recording again. I'm now back, and as you can see, my balance is now at 10 euros and 53 cents. Earlier I had 9 euros and 3 cents, so I earned 1 euro and 50 cents for completing this survey. As you can see, I got screened out twice before qualifying for this one. So I will now redeem my balance to my PayPal account and show you my payment proof in a minute. So you can only redeem 5 euros at a time and up to twice per day, as I mentioned earlier. Once you select your payout option, click on checkout. Before you can start the payout, you need to log in into your PayPal account once only. This step is no longer necessary for future payouts. Okay, so I will connect with PayPal, confirm you're not a robot, then log into my PayPal account. MVP SOAP webhooks will be able to access some of your profile information, such as your full name, email, and country. Then click on Agree. So I can now confirm my order. And that's it. It should now take up to 24 hours for the transfer to be completed, so I will pause this recording again and come back to you once I receive it. I am now back and connected to my PayPal account, and as you can see, I just received 5 euros from Mobrog. It took a bit less than an hour, but please wait up to 24 hours before panicking if you don't receive it quickly like I did. Anyways, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more reviews on ways to make a bit of money online. Thank you all for watching, and see you soon.